name's Dakota. I'm a third-year student at NJC. This year I'm doing diesel, and last year I did 2 years of auto. I'm getting an automotive diesel master certification at the end of this year. I went through the program for 2 years on the auto side, anywhere from engines to transmissions and general repairs. I came in knowing nothing, and I graduated one of the top 3 kids in the class. The diesel side, it's teaching me a lot more about the heavy-duty, bigger stuff. Right now we're in hydraulics, and that's different from the automotive aspect of it, learning about how some of the diesel stuff runs off hydraulics instead of your normal combustion engine on the auto side. I didn't expect to see the dyno bay. It's the diagnostic bay. You can test or figure out how much horsepower a vehicle has, how much torque. We also have 2 alignment racks. I had no idea what those were coming in, but I definitely, once I learned about them, didn't expect there to be 2. Well, my end goal for my career is to own my own automotive performance shop. So with this degree, it'll help get me there, help me start off higher in the workforce, and hopefully get me there faster.